Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while and it's been a long time, so welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to change your Play Store to US Play Store. US Play Store, as you can see, this is Nigerian Play Store. This is how it look like. Even though you switch Gmail, even though you switch Gmail, it will not reflect. So let me just switch a Gmail. Let me switch Gmail. Accept. So I switch Gmail. You can see down here it's still showing Nigerian Play Store. US Play Store used to be 1, 2, 3, used to be 4 here. So now let's make this Play Store as US Play Store. So all what you need to do, you need to download VPN. Where is the VPN? So I'm using Thunder VPN. So I will try to use Thunder VPN or this VPN. But for this one, let me use this VPN. In case you use Thunder VPN, it didn't work, you can use this one. You select from here, select your country here, United States. You have said, then you press connect. You must have data, please, so that start reading. So you minimize, you enter the Play Store again. Where's the Play Store? It's showing, look at it, has shown something. You press get it, I'm in. So this also still Nigeria Play Store. So what you need to do, just to press here, switch the Gmail here, then you click on switch. Let me choose one to do. You don't need to see all the email. So you can see it's not a magic. I didn't plan any magic. Look at 1, 2, 3, 4. So now this is US Play Store. So in this US Play Store, you can download anything, any app that is not in Nigeria with this US Play Store. Yes, anything that is not in Nigeria. Let me see which app is not in Nigeria. For those that are doing survey, this app is not in Nigeria. 5 survey. SURV 5 survey. This app is not in Nigerian Play Store. It was wasting time. You know, Nigerian network. But sure, that is how we used to do it. So this is the Play Store of US. I don't want to make the video very long, so let me just cut it up. So this is how you can do it.